Making the most out of meditation. There are people that take up meditation and do it faithfully for several weeks before finally abandoning it. Some become frustrated that they are not getting the results that they expected when they first signed up for it. We gonna give you several tips that can help you make the most out of your practice of meditation. Make sure to subscribe to not miss future videos. And gives us a thumbs up. 1. Practice meditation in a quiet place. While you can't completely shut yourself out of the distractions around you, it would help a lot if you can meditate in a very quiet area, or at least an area which cuts down outside noise considerably. 2. Choose a room with comfortable temperature. Whether the room's too cold or too hot, both can destroy your mood for meditation. It would therefore help to find a room with a temperature control so you can adjust it to a temperature where you're most comfortable. 3. Wear comfortable clothes. Again, the bane of people practicing meditation is distraction. You should therefore wear comfortable clothes as they would help you be more at ease and relaxed. 4. Find a guru. Sometimes, it can be frustrating to practice meditation without the proper guidance. A guru can guide you and will help a great deal in supplying you with the most out of meditation. 5. Read books on meditation. Whether you've got a guru or not, it might help to own reference materials which can help broaden your appreciation for this activity. Books do not only give you information but also insights on how to meditate better. Do you know that meditation improves concentration? Today, there are a lot of things that help in keeping us entertained. Within the internet alone, there are a large number of websites that do such that, like video sharing sites, social media sites and others which cater to our interests. While there's nothing wrong with entertaining ourselves, a problem arises with our constant need for distractions. Because of that, it becomes difficult for us to focus on one thing. We do not need to take extreme measures to help us focus. There are practices which can do the job for us. It includes the practice of meditation. People take up meditation for different purposes, and improving concentration is one of them. There are several methods by which meditation does its job. One is through breathing exercises. Even an exercise that is as simple as being tuned in to the times we inhale and exhale can do wonders to our ability to concentrate. While it's going to sound easy, it are often quite difficult, especially if one has to deal with distractions such as outside noise. Another method is by reciting a mantra. A mantra is a phrase or a sound that is recited repeatedly. For Catholics, praying the rosary could be a kind of a mantra. The repetition becomes the key of the meditation, to which the person's attention becomes focused. There are other methods by which meditation can help improve concentration. However, the two mentioned are the most basic and could help beginners start out with the practice. If you like our videos, subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Enjoy your journey.